An exceptional visit to the empty rooms of the Harper's Bazaar retrospective at the Musée des Arts Décoratifs in Paris to witness the dismantling of the exhibition and discover the meticulous process put into place to optimise the conservation conditions of thousands of pieces belonging to this cultural institution.
Le démontage d'une exposition, ça signifie de premièrement enlever.
The dismantling of an exhibition means removing all the works while completing a conservation process, so that once they return to the reserves, we can assure their conservation in the foreseeable future and the long term.
Ce sont des équipes dédiées qu'on a la chance d'avoir au Musée des Arts Décoratifs. Ce sont des équipes.
We are lucky to have dedicated teams at the Musée des Arts Décoratifs in Paris, restoration teams and clothing specialists.
Dextérité qui leur est propre et on peut absolument pas faire manipuler ces pièces.
Their experience means they know where to gather the clothing, whether it will be fragile, and where seams could come loose if poorly
Où
handled.
il va y avoir des fragilités, où il y a des coutures qui pourraient lâcher si elles étaient mal manipulées.
Our biggest curses here are light, dust and insects. We use pheromone traps for almost all the outfits. There are moths everywhere in Paris, including in the museum. So we are doing a real investigation into this insect issue because it is damaging. It seriously damages, and the most panicking thing would be that there could be an infestation in store. In certain exhibitions here, we have 150 to 200 outfits, so you can imagine the work, which is not just for the modelling. There is the sketch that was made for the Saint Laurent dress, and the person that did the modelling noted that she added the bust, a bit of stomach and hips. She added a little back too, so that the figure is pretty at the back. You can see that we're going to go into detail, because the back was absolutely not visible in the display case. We are a little tense when putting on and taking off the arms because we are scared of damaging the dress. So, we are in the process of temporarily packaging it up while it is brought back to the reserves and packaged up for the final time.
Pour que ça tombe très bien dans la vitrine, il y a une ligne de couture.
So that it falls well in the display case, there is a line of stitching that was made when setting up the exhibition, so that the coat remains closed. So, we will undo this seam.
On a vraiment la démarche inverse par rapport au magasin.
We have the opposite approach compared to the shop that will take the clothing to put it on the mannequin, then adopt it with pins. Whereas we adopt the mannequin to the garment by adding layers of cotton to give volume to the original item of clothing.
Le volume du vêtement original.
There is always an amazement once the piece is on the mannequin. We say to ourselves, oh, yes, wow.